Welcome. Today we are going to explore the text function in Excel. This function is a powerful formatting tool that transforms numbers into text with specific formatting patterns. It allows you to display numbers in a more readable and understandable way. Let's understand the syntax of the text function. The text function has the following structure: equals text, open parenthesis, value, comma, format text, close parenthesis. Here, value is the number you want to format, and format text is the format pattern you want to apply, enclosed in quotes. Now, let's look at a basic example of number formatting. If you have a number 1234.56, and you want to format it to 2 decimal places, you would use the formula equals text, open parenthesis 1234.56, comma, open quotes 0.00, close parenthesis. The result will be 1234.56, but as formatted text, ensuring it always displays with 2 decimal places. Here's an example of how to format dates using the text function. To convert today's date into a specific format, use the formula equals text, open parenthesis today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, comma, open quotes, dd-mm-yyyy, close quotes, close parenthesis. This will convert the date to a custom format. For example, the 7th of June 2025 will be displayed as 07-06-2025. This is especially useful for standardizing date formats in reports. Now, let's explore some common format patterns that you can use with the text function. For currency, use the format code $##, comma, #0.00. This will display the number as, for example, $1234.56. For percentage, use the format code 0.00%. This will display the number as, for example, 75.50%. For a phone number, use the format code, open parenthesis 000, close parenthesis space 000-0000. This will display the number as, for example, open parenthesis 123, close parenthesis 456-7890. For time format, use the format code HH:MM, space AM/PM. This will display the time as, for example, 02:30 p.m. Let's see how the text function works in a practical worksheet example. In cell A1, we have the value 12,345.67. In cell B1, the formula is equals text, open parenthesis A1, comma, open quotes $#, comma, #0.00, close quotes, close parenthesis. The result in cell C1 will be $12,345.67. Similarly, in cell A2 we have the value 0.855. In cell B2 the formula is equals text, open parenthesis A2, comma, open quotes 0.0%, close quotes, close parenthesis. The result in cell C2 will be 85.5%. Here are a couple of key tips to remember when using the text function. First, the text function always returns a text string, not a number. Even though it's formatting a number, the output is treated as text. Second, always use quotes around your format patterns to ensure the text function interprets them correctly. Without quotes, Excel will not recognize the format and may return an error. In summary, the text function in Excel is a versatile tool that transforms numbers into formatted text strings, using custom patterns. This function is perfect for creating professional reports and ensuring consistent data presentation. By using the text function, you can improve the readability and clarity of your Excel sheets. This completes our discussion on the text function in Excel. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.